Critical library mismatch involving the WLAN UI DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before we dive into the WLAN UI manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the WLAN UI, the Wireless LAN User Interface. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of the available networks list and connection dialogs, facilitating the visual manifest for wireless data links. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Wlanui UI is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including WLAN UI, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone WLAN UI DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for WLAN UI. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for WLAN UI, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.